sewing friends, Happy New Year! For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Monika and I love to post step-by-step sewing tutorials as well as other sewing and fashion related videos. And so if you are new, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I cannot believe we're going into 2020 already, and actually by the time you're watching this, it will be 2020. I'm actually filming this on New Year's Eve. But anyway, that's so mind-blowing to me, and since the year is ending, I thought it'd be fun to look back at my sewing tutorials from this past year and pick my 5 favorite tutorials. I didn't get as many tutorials posted this year as I would have liked just because life gets in the way, but I still thought it'd be fun to pick out my favorites from the year and let y'all know what I like the most. And make sure to let me know in the comment section what are your favorite sewing projects that you've done from the year. I would love to hear what you guys have been working on and what your favorite things to make were. It's always so much fun to chat in the comments, so make sure to leave a comment. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the top 5 favorite sewing projects of mine. Coming in at number 5 was my DIY cape tutorial that I made at the beginning of last year. I was really happy with the way that one turned out. It was so comfortable to wear. It literally feels like you're wearing a blanket because it is made from fleece fabric, so that's really nice, and it is super easy to make too, so it's the perfect project for beginners. And I've been seeing so many capes out there in the stores lately, so it's kind of cool to be able to make your own from a popular style and know that nobody else will have one exactly like that. I wear that cape quite often during the winter. I just really enjoyed it because it is a different look to it. So that is my 5th favorite project from the year. Coming in at number 4 is actually the shirt I'm wearing right now, which is a long sleeve shirt that has a hood attached. I really like this shirt. It is so comfortable to wear, and it's kind of nice to have something a little different than just a basic long sleeve shirt since it does have the hood. Just kind of gives it a little extra something to the shirt. And I really love this fabric, and it actually has such good memories attached to it because this is one of the fabrics that LA Finch Fabrics sent me to use on my channel. I did an unboxing video several months ago with some fabrics they sent, and so it has just really cool memories attached because it was just really neat that they wanted to send me fabric to use. And so I always think of that when I wear this, and I wear this all the time, and just like how special it was to be able to receive this fabric from them. It's just really cool to think about and have a good memory attached to it. So I wear this all the time, and this is my 4th favorite project from the year. In the past couple years, I had a ton of requests for wrap dresses and wrap skirts, so I made several wrap projects this past year, and they were probably the projects I put the most time and effort into because it took a little while to kind of figure out exactly how I wanted to do each project. So coming in at number 3 is my high-low wrap dress that I made. I love the fabric from that dress. I just think it's so beautiful and just really striking, and I really like the way the design of that dress turned out. I think the spaghetti straps and kind of the high-low hem just really turned out nice, and it made me feel like really girly and just kind of pretty. And it's nice when you wear something that makes you feel good inside because, I mean, for me, like, that's why I'm wearing fashion. I'm not wearing it for anybody else, I'm wearing it for myself. And so it's nice to have something that just makes you feel good when you put it on. So that high-low wrap dress is definitely my 3rd favorite project of the year. My 2nd favorite project is my wrap skirt that I made this year. That one was made with a white and blue palm leaf fabric, and actually the wrap dress that I just mentioned was made with a red and white palm leaf fabric, and it's really no surprise that those are some of my favorite projects, like using summery fabrics, because summer is my favorite season, and I can't wait to wear both of those items again when it gets warmer. But I was really happy with the way the wrap skirt turned out as well. I worked really hard on that, and I changed the design of it several times before I kind of finalized that tutorial just because I wanted to make it exactly how I pictured it in my head. So yeah, I was really happy with that one, and I just can't wait till it's warm enough to wear it again because that one was just so fun. And also I wore that one when I made the introduction for it. I was at the coast of North Carolina in my favorite place ever, Southport, North Carolina. So that one has some really nice memories attached to it as well because it was a great trip, and it's fun to like look back and think about filming it on the water and just walking around in the sand and the sun and all of my favorite things. So yeah, that wrap skirt is my 2nd favorite project. And now my top favorite project from this year was the very first wrap dress I actually made on my channel. That one had sleeves and it was made with a floral fabric, and I filmed it during the spring, so it was really nice. It was warm and just a fun thing to wear during the spring. And I worked really hard on that tutorial too. It took me a long time before I ever got it posted, and I worked on it just a lot to try and get it exactly how I wanted it. So I was really happy when I finally posted it because it was really well received on my channel, and I got a lot of views on it, which I know views aren't everything, but it is really nice to know that when you work hard on something, a lot of people do enjoy seeing it. And a lot of y'all said that it was really like a good wrap dress tutorial to follow, and I've seen several really great versions of wrap dresses you guys made from that tutorial, so that has some really cool like accomplishments with it, and just the fact that it was so well liked and received really meant so much to me. So that is definitely my top favorite project of the year. So there you have it. Those are my favorite projects from this past year. And again, make sure to let me know in the comment section what your favorite projects that you made from the year are as well. I really hope you all have a wonderful, happy, and safe and healthy new year, and I can't wait to see you in a video soon. Happy New Year, everyone. Bye. And it'd be fun to... Dang it. My lights keep blinking. What on earth? I have very fancy studio lighting in here. Very high-end. It's a 20-year-old probably lamp that has literally been around forever, and only 2 of the bulbs out of 3 work, so super high-end production over here.